Hey everyone, I'm John, and today we're doing an honest deep dive into Odeo AI, a tool aimed at researchers, students, writers, and anyone drowning in information overload. Stick around because by the end, I'll show you how to get the most value, including whether the premium version is worth it. And yes, there's an affiliate link in my description to support the channel. Odeo isn't just another AI chatbot. It's a full research assistant that lets you import PDFs, web links, YouTube videos, Word docs, everything, and automatically organizes, tags, summarizes, and lets you chat with your content. It's powered by GPT-4, Claude, Mistral, Gemini, etc., and even includes an AI-powered text editor, workflow automations, and real citations. First, drop in a PDF or URL, and Odeo instantly summarizes key bullets, and you can chat like asking follow-ups. Explain this part again? It's like having a research buddy. Reviews say it significantly reduces time digging through content. Next up, the AI text editor. You can outline, write, paraphrase, and edits are grounded in your sources. No random generative drivel. It rivals ChatGPT inside a single platform. Unique to Odeo are automated workflows. Summarize videos, turn blogs into tweet threads, compare docs, even digest your sources automatically. Huge time saver for repetitive tasks. Pricing starts free with limited credits. Pro at $9 a month. Unlimited $20 a month. Max with GPT-4. Automations at $36 a month. I checked Trustpilot. Pro users say it's great, but occasional AI hallucinations mean you must double check. Sounds powerful. But here's where it gets real. Does it actually speed up your workflow, or just cost more time learning? Here's my honest verdict. Otio.ai does deliver on its promise, streamlines research, writing, and workflow. But free tier may feel limited and there's a learning curve. If your work truly involves heavy research or long-form writing, the premium max plan with unlimited credits, GPT-4 automations is absolutely worth it. Ready to test it yourself? Hit the link in the description. Yes, it's my affiliate link, and every sign-up at premium level helps the channel at no extra cost to you. If you do go premium, you'll speed up your research, avoid tab chaos, and free up time to create. If this review helped you, like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what research project you'd use Odeo for. Thanks for watching. See you in the next review.